Yo, what's up, family? What's up, friends? I've been telling y'all about that MU. Now, this is not financial advice, but it's still a live play. Ticker symbol MU, Micron. Micron's right now is at 447.35 in real time as I speak on this Monday morning. So put this on your radar. Micron has earnings coming up Wednesday. Now, I've been playing this ticker for the last 3, 4. I've actually been playing it since I started trading. I remember Micron when it was at $50 back in 2020 when all this started for me. When I first started trading, it was one of the very first stocks that was on my radar when I started trading, and that was $50. And now it's getting ready to be. It has reached $550. If I knew then what I knew now, I'd be filthy already. But with that being said, I took that contract that I had, the Micron 320 432.5 call that I was up like $170 on that, and ended up let me see, I ended up with almost doubling my money. I ended up selling it for 34.05, which is, let me see, I bought it for, yeah, I did double. I doubled my money. I made over 100% on that. So that was a pretty good trade, and I took that roll profits and got back in actually. And for the last 5 days, I'm up over 1,800 on Micron. So Micron is still live. Earnings coming up Wednesday. If it pulls back, I'm probably, matter of fact, I can't say that. I was going to misspeak. I've already rolled some of the profits from earlier to play back in up to earnings come Wednesday. So I'm getting ready to be done trading for the day. I just wanted to get on here and tell you to keep Micron on your radar. I don't know how long this bounce is going to last, if we're going to pull back, if it was just a dead cat bounce and we're going back to the basement tomorrow, if we're going to bounce off VWAP and go on back up and reach for 603 in the Qs and a SPY, get back over 670 and whatnot. So, and to stay and hold. So if the markets keep acting right, Bitcoin has been acting right today. Bitcoin has been up almost to 75,000. Let me look at Bitcoin real quick. It's pulling back a little bit now, but Bitcoin was as high as 74.5 today, trying to get back over 75,000 today. So that was a live play. So and even on this pullback, you can play some of the Bitcoin miners and make some money. Mara, if you don't want to play an expensive ticker, or Coinbase if you have money to shoot at a more expensive contract. So I'm not trying to tell you what to buy, hold, or sell. I'm just telling you where the strength is today, and if it holds, we can make a lot of money in this market. So, MU, check it out. I got the receipts right here, so you guys just hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'm gonna start coming on here with the plays that I see that are money making potential more consistently, because I see that's where people really have their interests at. Even though some people like getting stocks to watch and stocks that are in a good buy zone, and I'll still put them out there because some of those are the very ones that I play contracts on. So it's going to be a lot of opportunities in these markets, and even if it pulls back even further, opportunities are going to be even more places. So uh, keep, if you wait, and if you want to keep cash and stay in cash positions and not risk these turbulent markets, because it's a lot of volatility, a lot going on with oil and crude. Oil prices up over $105 a gallon, which is pushing the market down sometimes, certain sectors of the market. So you just got to be aware of what's going on in the macroeconomics, what's going on with the data releases, and just stay on top of the charts and stay on top of the trends, and you can make a lot of money. So with that being said, MU, we're killing it, and we're going to keep on killing it. So I'll be back later, maybe tomorrow or whatever. We're going to keep doing these updates and try to see if we can get into this money. I'm going to be out of here. Peace.